Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin in the Part Studio, open the sketch that holds the dimension. Once there, click the sketch entity, line, circle, or arc, so Onshape highlights the associated dimension. Make sure to use the D shortcut or double-click the dimension text to enter edit mode. This is faster and prevents accidental drag changes. You should see the numeric field active, change the number, then press enter. This updates the sketch constraint. If it's linked to variables, you'll edit the variable instead. Once done editing the raw value, verify whether the dimension is driven by an expression, variable, or relation. If the number reverts, open the feature tree and inspect the sketch constraints and dimension properties. You may see a linked variable or an equation like length equals base plus 5. Edit that instead so changes persist. Also open document variables if the dimension references them. Changing the source maintains design intent and prevents downstream rebuild errors. So always edit the controlling element rather than forcing a local override. To finish, press enter and rebuild, then inspect any dependent features or mates for unexpected movement. If assembly mates or sketches fail, suppress the dependent feature and re-enable it stepwise to isolate the problem. If a sketch becomes overconstrained, remove the conflicting constraint or convert a dimension to a driven dimension so geometry updates without fighting constraints. A key troubleshooting tip: if changes don't apply, look for equations or document variables you missed, and remember to refresh browser caches or restart the document if changes still appear stale.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.